Good evening, Matt Wordsworth with ABC News. The terrifying firestorm that raged through Peregian Beach on the Sunshine Coast overnight is still burning out of control, forcing the evacuation of more than 400 residents as far north as Noosa. Hundreds of firefighters are battling the inferno in dangerous, gusty conditions. Incredibly, no lives have been lost, but 80 fires are still burning across the state as this horror early start to the fire season refuses to let up. The scale of the natural disaster has forced the Premier to cut short her trip to Europe so she can assess the damage.
An ember storm raining down on what was once an idyllic beachside retreat but became a fiery hell. The firestorm fuelled by erratic, ever-changing winds.
This is absolutely insane.
It ripped through Peregian Beach on a terrifying scale. Residents like Karen Radburn drawn to the ominous glow.
This is in my house and it's coming so close. The heat that comes off it is quite unreal. This is crazy. Seriously.
Her home survived.
It was just coming rapidly. Fire behind me was coming so fast. We just got the hoses out and started hosing the house.
But the family is shaken.
It was coming close so rapidly and then the wind just changed. It turned north.
Hundreds of people were evacuated as the fireball advanced.
Very scary.
Denny Stocker stayed on.
Yeah, it was pretty intense. Flared up pretty quick. Strong wind and yeah, it was pretty scary.
The devastation captured by local photographer and resident Wavell Bush.
I actually went and got a few great shots, but then the police let us know that it was dangerous and we needed to get out of there.
One home destroyed, one badly damaged, but no lives lost.
Last night's Herculean efforts resulted in nothing short of a miracle.
Critical hours ticked by mid-morning as the wild winds twisted and turned yet again. The blaze raged to the north, with more than 400 residents told to flee.
To give you an idea of how quickly the situation is changing here, about an hour ago this fire had nearly completely died down. Water bombing had stopped. Now it's flared again. These residents have no idea when they'll be able to return home.
By mid-afternoon, the big guns were called in. 15,000 litres of fire-retardant water dousing the unruly blaze, giving crews a chance to bring it under control as concerned residents face another night of uncertainty. The Weather Bureau warns conditions may ease over the next couple of days but ramp up again on Friday, a short respite for a seaside community in shock.
Live to Alison Horn at Peregian Beach. Al, what's the latest on the fire there?
Yeah, Matt, you can see the glow of that blaze behind me, and it still is at an emergency level warning for Peregian Beach, Peregian Breeze Estate and also south of Lake Wyba. So, as you mentioned, still not contained, still not under control. About 60 firefighters remain on the ground here, and if these winds continue to whip up the flames like we've seen today, it will be another long and incredibly stressful night for crews on the ground. Matt, at the same time, police are investigating how this blaze started. Detectives are aware of social media posts that appear to show a teenager claiming responsibility for starting this fire. Two boys and two girls have been questioned by police, 14 and 15-year-olds. Matt, that investigation is still ongoing.
Alison Horn, thank you.